welcome to Teaching Bites TV. This is Sharon Jaravata, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the journal features in Seesaw. Now, what is a journal, you might ask? A journal is a digital portfolio of your students' work. In today's Seesaw journal video, we're going to talk about the journal, the folders within the journal, a calendar view, student work, how to print a digital portfolio of each student's work, pinning posts to the top of your feed, and more settings. Let's get started. Here we are in the journal section of Seesaw, and you know that you're there because you have the heading journal right here. And then this has been selected. So if I click activities, then you'll notice that my journal has become dark purple. But now if I select it, it's a little bit lighter purple. Let's start with Class Journal. Class Journal is a feed of all the students' work. So you'll see everything that's been submitted to you in this feed. If you want to search by, you can see we have 3 items, right? 3 items. And if you want to search by subject area to perhaps grade or check off work, you can just click the subject area that you assigned it to. And we can click math, and you can see I have 2 math assignments that's been submitted to me. All right. You can also look at submitted work a different way besides a feed. You could look through calendar view. Calendar view, you can go by the month, you could go by the week, but if you click on the 12th, November 12th, I can see that 1 item's been submitted to me from sample student, the math assignment. This is another way for you to look to see who's done it on time. Perhaps you want to just visually see if they're late or on time on their work. And then if I go back here, I can see I have Wonder Woman submitted this assignment to me today. So another way to look at it. If you want to go back to journal view, feed view, if you want to look at student work, specific students. Maybe you are grading some work and you know that there's a couple of students that haven't finished their work. You could go click on them and see if they've done it. So sample student, I could look at 2 items that's been submitted. All right. I can also click by folder and find the one that's appropriate for the subject I'm grading. If I click math, I see the math assignment right there. Okay. And if I click on another student, Iron Man, he hasn't submitted work to me. And we know that Wonder Woman has already submitted the math assignment to me. Okay. One thing to know about sample student is that sample student is not a student in your class. It is a sample student. So if you go to settings, I highly recommend you use sample student because it allows you to post work and for the student without affecting the rest of the class. So here you can enable it right here. And that way you can play with the settings and figure out the workflow if you're new to Seesaw. Okay. If you want to print out a digital portfolio, like on paper, or put it somewhere else, you can click print PDF on any student you would like. So see how it's up there after every student. And if I want to print Wonder Woman's work, I can see it right here. This is her name, the date, and the work. So this is something that you can submit to parents. Maybe if you're having conferences, you want to have a hard copy of their work to display or put on bulletin board. Options for you there. Okay. Now in Seesaw, imagine if I had 20 students and we had to submit, over 50 assignments. This journal can get very, very cloudy and very overwhelming because it's a big feed. So what you want to do is you may want to pin certain assignments to the top. So you can go here. I want to put this to the top. Okay. I can click the 3 dots at the bottom right. I can click pin to top. And then it ends up being at the top and it says pinned. Okay? Now, with this, there's other options that you can do as well. You could delete the post if you want. You can copy and edit it. You can edit the post itself. Okay? You can edit the people. Okay? You can edit the folders. So right now you have art and ELA right here. But maybe you figured out, wait, I need to add writing because this is still writing, right? So maybe I want to click the check for writing and then click the green check mark, and there's writing right there. I can also print it, I could share it and save it. So many options for you for each assignment. I'm going to unpin this to bring it back down to the bottom. That's it for this Seesaw video about the journal. You know how to search for student work by student, folders, or subject areas, and you know how to pin post to the top of the page and print digital portfolios of students. I hope this video has helped you a lot, and if it has, please like and share and subscribe to our channel, Teaching Bites TV, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!